The Power of Self-Belief, A Journey to Success. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a young boy named Alex. Alex had always been fascinated by the world beyond his village and dreamed of making a name for himself. However, his family's poor financial situation and lack of resources seemed to stand in his way. Despite the odds, Alex was determined to succeed. He worked hard in school, excelling in his studies and developing a passion for reading. He spent every spare moment devouring books from the village library, learning about the world and its many wonders. But Alex's biggest obstacle was his own self-doubt. He often felt that he wasn't good enough, that he wouldn't be able to achieve his dreams. He would compare himself to others, feeling inferior and lacking in confidence. One day, Alex met a wise old man who sensed his struggles. The old man asked Alex, "Do you believe in yourself?" Alex hesitated, unsure of how to respond. The old man smiled and said, "Believing in yourself is the key to success. If you don't believe in yourself, how can you expect others to?" Alex took the old man's words to heart. He began to focus on his strengths rather than his weaknesses. He practiced positive self-talk, encouraging himself to take risks and pursue his dreams. As Alex's self-belief grew, so did his confidence. He started to see himself in a new light as a capable and talented individual. He began to take on new challenges, pushing himself beyond his comfort zone. Years went by, and Alex's hard work paid off. He landed a scholarship to a prestigious university, where he excelled in his studies and became a leader among his peers. He landed a high-paying job at a top company, where he continued to grow and thrive. But Alex never forgot the wise old man's words. He continued to believe in himself, even when faced with obstacles and setbacks. He knew that his self-belief was the key to his success, and he made sure to nurture it every day. As Alex looked back on his journey, he realized that believing in himself had been the turning point. It had given him the confidence to pursue his dreams, to take risks, and to achieve greatness. Believing in yourself is the key to success. It gives you the confidence to pursue your dreams, to take risks, and to achieve greatness.